Hello, my name is Dr. Mukesh Chauhan. Today's short video is on origin of human life. This is one of my pet subjects, and I have written a special scientific book on solving the entire mystery of origin of life. The world of science is still searching for how human beings came about. But there are many things or gaps in the knowledge and understanding of origin of human life. I've discovered the entire complete mystery of how human beings were born after meeting Creator. And Creator revealed beautiful insights with very new divine knowledge about how Creator had made human beings before the scientists had Big Bang. Remember, scientists haven't reached as far as Big Bang. They're very close to it. There's a wall there which they can't penetrate. Okay, it's a Planck wall, they call it. They can't go beyond that wall. There's a barrier there. So they don't know what had transpired before the wall. After meeting Creator, and after meeting and understanding the depth of knowledge of consciousness which Creator had bestowed to me, Creator took me beyond Big Bang. Do you remember Nobel Prize winner Steven Weinberg of Texas University, USA, say consciousness doesn't exist? He said it doesn't exist. No such thing as consciousness. So there's a wealth of information which I'm revealing about human consciousness and mystery of origin of life. Origin of life comes about, was pre-planned before a single human being was born on earth. What was the structure of that human life? The medical knowledge about origin of human life is, while very good, is still very limited. That is how human beings did not originally come on earth. That is how human beings were not born. It's a beautiful design and mystery of origin of life and how human beings came on earth. If I tell you that human beings can be born in 1 second and Creator has the power to take away human beings in 1 second, you probably won't believe that, because you haven't reached that level of depth of knowledge of which I have, which I will gradually introduce you. While there are numerous theories about origin of life, none of them can explain, none of them can fully explain the human being. Scientists even now can't make a single cell. A single cell cannot be made by scientists. It eludes them. They've got beautiful knowledge about DNA, the nucleus of the cell. But like any code, they don't know that the DNA is, they know it is a generic code. They don't know who is the maker of that generic code. Every code is made by somebody. Who is the source code behind that? And that is where the secret to the mystery of origin of life is. Entire human life is coded. And that code is present inside human brain. People are totally oblivious about the presence of this, which I have discovered. So, origin of human life, I will deal in detail because it's such a nice subject with so much beautiful knowledge to talk about that it has to be taken and explained in a simplified manner so you can follow my arguments. I'll discuss more as we go along about Science's concept about origin of life, how life came to be. Do remember, they don't know it yet. It's still a jigsaw puzzle. As far as science is concerned, they have reached as far as the pre-Cambrian era, which was around about 520 million years ago. And this was Charles Darwin's origin of species concept and knowledge. But Darwin gets into trouble is if you have sudden appearance of multiple species, then his knowledge goes flat. He can't explain that. His theory of evolution or of origin of species disappears or has value, but has limited value. I'm going even much more before that. What had transpired right at the origin of universe, and before that, how Creator conceived every human life. So I will share more knowledge on origin of life, and I contend to have solved the mystery of origin of life. And I've also written details about it in my second masterpiece, which is complete scientific knowledge on solving the mystery of origin of life. This is completely new knowledge revealed to me by Creator